folks, Scrambled O checking in. And you guys are checking out Deranged Survival. Yeah!
How's it going, guys? This is Eric with Deranged Survival, and today I'm doing some wild camping. My buddy Andrew over here. We got basic shelter set up so far. We got a little bit more work to go. Just got some 2 cheap tarps, got a shower curtain, and some cheap rope that I purchased for 88 cents for 25 feet. So we got a stick in the center there just to hold up the shower curtain up a little bit. We're going to put a bunch of firewood in there. We're going to have a fire right in between both of us. Got a couple mylar tops we're going to throw down, dive in there, get nice and cozy, have a fire going all night long. Got a little bit of wood processed over here so far. Got Andrew chopping up some wood. And we got the tent set up just in case it gets too bad. If the snow starts to turn to rain and freezing temperatures, we're jumping in there for the night. So it's always good to be safe than sorry. Brought the tent just in case, but we're gonna sleep out here, practice our shelter building skills. But we got a nice open area over here. Pull you guys back a little bit. Got a nice open area over here. There's the shelter set up. Got a bunch of big boulders. I have another rainfly over there that's covering all our gear because, as you can see, it's snowing. Don't want all our material nice and soaking wet before we lay down for the night. Well, I got a couple steaks we're gonna cook on the fire. Not exactly sure how yet. I didn't bring any cooking gear with me this time. And here's the opening. Guy made a lazy man bench at one point. I got a couple videos in this spot over here, and we're probably gonna break all that down for firewood because it's gonna be a chilly one tonight. Got anything you want to add?
Nope. Ready for the blizzard.
So we're probably going to do a long fire in the front here, and we're sleeping on opposite sides. Going to probably put a bunch of firewood in the center there, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll probably pull out the camera a little bit more throughout the night, depending how bad the weather gets. I just got a plastic bag over my camera right now. I don't want to ruin it, so that's our basic setup so far. Stay tuned for the rest of our adventure. Alright guys, we got the fire going. Shelters are set up. Just processing some more wood down. Got the tent for safety. Here's the fire. We got the fire going here. Got some firewood. We're putting some firewood in there for later at night. We don't have to chop wood out here. We just have it all collected in there. You can toss it on. It's covered from the elements. I just got my poncho in the front there because it's snowing inside. The wind is actually blowing into my shelter right now. But hopefully that will change later tonight. And we're in the blizzard! And I just want to say thank you for Scrambled O for doing the intro for me. I appreciate it. And we're doing some wild camping out here today. Gonna pull out the steaks in a little bit. I think I'm gonna cook some oatmeal first. And yeah, we're just relaxing. Fortunately, 3 hours later, that snow turned to rain. The sun was setting, The temperature was starting to drop. My feet started to become numb. So we sat by the fire, cooked our steaks, contemplated whether we should leave or not, and we made the tough decision to head on out. We packed our gear and walked out in the cold, wet snow. But it was a great learning experience for me and Andrew. Thanks for watching, guys. This was a fun adventure for me and Andrew. It's definitely going to be one of many, so you'll probably see him in my future videos. Take care, guys. Yeah!